Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word macho in depth. First, the definition. Macho means displaying traits traditionally considered masculine, such as strength or aggression. Think of it simply as someone showing bold, manly behavior. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Macho traces back to the Spanish word meaning male or masculine, first recorded in English in the early 20th century. Over time, it's been used by many cultures to describe stereotypical masculine qualities. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use macho in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He acted very macho to impress his friends at the party. Correct example 2. That macho attitude sometimes masks true vulnerability. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to macho a sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using macho correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Macho means displaying traits traditionally considered masculine, such as strength or aggression. It comes from the Spanish word for male, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with macho down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.